we are unfolding newer experience. We just started the pre-booking 1 day back, and I'm happy to share that we have already got 50,000 plus pre-booking. So thank you all the Galaxy user for your love. Continue to unfold your world. So one meaningful innovation is at the core of what we do. Both these devices comes with the best processor available in the market, which is Snapdragon Gen 1, which is extremely optimized for the battery consumption. And we are very, very happy that all these devices will last you at least 1 day of uses. Our principle has always been getting value to the consumer. Both these devices comes with a extremely powerful pre-booking offers where a consumer can get a watch worth 30,000 plus and can get an upgrade or a cashback of 8,000 rupees, which brings roughly around 40,000 benefit for the consumers. And with the response which we have got, we are extremely, extremely happy with that. These devices have taken a giant leap, from a 3300 mAh back to 3700 mAh. So it's almost 12 to 14% additional battery. 2, we have increased the speed. Now you can charge from 0 to 50 in just 30 minutes. So it's a fast charging. What's more, it also comes with wireless charging. So there is what has been packed for the consumer for them to do more and be more with these devices. From your medium, I want to assure to all the consumers that there will be no problem. Thank you.